Have you ever experienced a morning when you turn the key and nothing happens? There was no sound, no engine purring, just silence. It's a nightmare that every driver dreads, isn't it? But what if I told you that some cars are built to never break down, no matter how many kilometers you drive them? What if I told you that some cars are so dependable that they will still run well after 15 years and 400,000 kilometers? Are you interested? Stay attentive, because in this video I'll show you 8 cars that are almost impossible to break. And sure, they can live a lot longer than most modern luxury cars. We all know that vehicle companies say their cars will be reliable, but what does the world say? I didn't just believe what the manufacturer said. I looked at data from the real world. These cars have proven their usefulness on the road year after year, not just on paper. Trust me, you'll want to stay for the last one. It's a great automobile for less than $5,189, and it's as reliable as some new premium brands. Let's get started. 1. The Mazda CX-3, the hero who doesn't show off. The Mazda CX-3 is a compact crossover that doesn't look or feel like a luxury or sporty car, yet it's one of the most reliable cars you can purchase. I have to admit that I forgot about it for a while, but when you see that it only gets a 7.2% TÜV inspection rate after 6 or 7 years, you start to see how special it is, why it will last. Mazda uses technology that has been tested and works. There is no turbo or sophisticated direct injection system. Instead, there is a naturally aspirated engine with Skyactiv technology. This means there are fewer moving components that could break down, which makes the engine last longer. You can see that Mazda has improved its corrosion prevention on cars that are 10 years old or older. The Mazda CX-3 is hard to beat if you want a car that is reliable and doesn't need a lot of care. 2. The Mercedes B-Class, very reliable. You might think of high maintenance costs when you think of Mercedes, but the Mercedes B-Class is the opposite. This high-end small car is a great deal for the long term because it has a defect rate of only 4.8% and a breakdown rate of 2 in 1,000. But here's the thing, the year of the model is important. If you go with 2019 and newer, you won't have to deal with the electrical and sensor difficulties that prior versions had. Why it's built to last. The B-Class shows that you can have luxury without giving up on reliability because of its strong design and sophisticated engineering. It's big and comfortable, and after years of driving, it still looks great. This can be the best automobile for you if you want a high-end car that won't cost a lot to fix. 3. The Toyota Corolla, the workhorse of the world. When people talk about cars that last a long time, the Toyota Corolla is virtually always at the top of the list. This is the workhorse that won't stop working. It has sold over 15 million units around the world. You may still find Corolla vehicles that have gone 400,000 kilometers with the original engine and transmission still working after 15 years. No matter where you go, this car is built to last. Why it will last? The Corolla is basic, strong, and easy to care for. It has a simple 1.6L or 1.8L engine, so it's easy to fix and doesn't need any special tools. Driving instructors, taxi firms, and people who require a car to get to work every day all choose it. 4. Honda Civic lasts for decades. The Honda Civic isn't glamorous, but it's one of the most dependable cars you'll ever own. The Civic has been well engineered for more than 40 years and has a lengthy history of lasting a long time. These models have some of the most durable engines on the market, especially the 8th to 10th versions, which were made from 2006 to 2019. Why it will last? The VTEC engines are almost impossible to break. No turbo, no sophisticated systems, just the reliability that Honda is known for. These automobiles are made to last, and with only a little maintenance, they may easily go up to 400,000 kilometers, and the best part, they are also easy and cheap to keep up, which keeps repair expenses down while still giving you a pleasant ride. 5. Volvo V70, built to last in Scandinavia. The Volvo V70 is the car for you if you want one that is built like a tank. The V70 is built to last, and people say it has Scandinavian quality. This car was made to handle the worst conditions starting in 2000. Its 5-cylinder engine regularly goes more than 500,000 miles without needing much maintenance. Why it's built to last? Volvo's engineers focus on making things last. The drivetrain is strong, the chassis is strong, and the inside is still in good shape after hundreds of thousands of kilometers. The Volvo V70 is one of the best automobiles you can acquire if you want something that will last instead of something that looks good. 6. The Hyundai Kona Electric is the best electric car. Electric automobiles are the way of the future, but will they survive as long as gas-powered ones? They can, as shown by the Hyundai Kona Electric. This electric automobile shows that EVs don't have to break down quickly because it only has a 3.5% fault rate. The battery is actively cooled, therefore it should live for a long time, even after 180,000 km more. Why it's built to last. The Kona Electric not only has a low defect rate, but it's also very easy to take care of. The battery lasts longer than most, and with Hyundai's 8-year warranty, you can be sure that your car will stay reliable for a long time. 7. Honda CR-V, the best family SUV. Do you want an SUV that is good for families and will last? The Honda CR-V is the best SUV for life. This model has been a trusted choice for families for years because it is known for being strong. It may easily go over 400,000 km without any major problems if you take care of it, making it a great long-term investment. Why it's built to last. The CR-V's naturally aspirated engines are strong but basic, and the car is designed to last. The CR-V is a great choice for a family car since it has a strong frame, smooth steering, and useful amenities. It's great for driving in the city or going on a road trip. 8. Lexus RX, the luxury SUV that never needs repairs. Most expensive cars are flashy, but not very reliable. The Lexus RX, on the other hand, is different. The RX is one of the most durable luxury SUVs out today because it combines Toyota's famous dependability with a high-end experience. This car is still going strong after 15 years, with only a few problems. Why it's built to last. Lexus employs only the best materials and methods to make sure the RX stays in great shape for years. The hybrid engine is very noteworthy since it takes some of the burden off the combustion engine, which lets the car run longer without any problems. 9. The Subaru Outback is the best car for off-roading. The Subaru Outback is not only great for off-roading, but it is also made to last. The Outback is one of the most reliable cars, even when you push it to its limits. It has a tough design and an all-wheel drive system. This car won't let you down, whether you're driving on dirt roads or just to and from work in the winter. Why it's built to last. The famous boxer engine architecture from Subaru lowers the car's center of gravity, which makes it more stable and easier to handle, and also makes parts last longer. The Outback's body is made of reinforced steel and materials that won't rust, so it will stay in good shape even after years of harsh driving. 10. Ford F-150, the best pickup truck for work. The Ford F-150 is the most reliable pickup truck on the market. This truck is built to last, whether you're using it to haul, do heavy work, or just drive around every day. The F-150 is one of the best-selling trucks of all time, and there's a good reason for that. It doesn't break down. Why it will last. The EcoBoost engines in the F-150 are recognized for being strong, and with the right care, the truck may easily go beyond 400,000 kilometers. The sturdy frame and well-built suspension mean that your car will be able to do any job and stay strong for years. 11. The BMW 3 Series F30, a luxury sedan that you can count on. The BMW 3 Series is known for how well it drives and performs, but did you know that it is also one of the most dependable luxury sedans? The F30 generation, especially from 2012 on, has been a reliable choice for people who want luxury without having to pay for repairs all the time. Even though many people say that the brand is known for having pricey upkeep, the 3 Series has been far more reliable. Why it will last. BMW has worked on making the 3 Series with engines that are easier to use but yet last a long time, as well as a stronger electrical system. This automobile may easily go hundreds of thousands of kilometers if it is well taken care of. The chassis, suspension, and interior all last a long time and look great, giving you the best of both worlds. 12. Audi A4 B8, a car that lasts a long time and performs well. People might recognize the Audi A4 for its performance and sleek design, but it's also a car that can last. The B8 generation, 2008-2015, is quite reliable, and many owners say they can drive these cars for more than 300,000 kilometers with only routine maintenance. The A4 is a great choice if you want both luxury and usefulness. Why it will last. The A4 lasts longer than you might think for a luxury car because Audi uses high-quality materials, solid engineering, and basic but effective TFSI engines. The car's suspension system and overall build quality make it smooth and strong, and the inside often stays in great shape even after years of use. That's That's it! Here are 12 cars that will never break down, even after 15 years. These cars are worth the money since they are durable, reliable, and work well for a long time. You can choose from a city car, an SUV, a truck, or a luxury sedan. So which car is at the top of your list? Please tell us in the comments below. And don't forget that an old car doesn't imply it's out of the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on reliable autos and car suggestions. Hit the bell icon to get notifications about our new videos.